The bridge, the third bridge is coming at the Mandovi. Was it necessary and so urgent? What about Zuari bridge? Every time I pass, every time it connects South Goa and North Goa. We are worried while traveling on that bridge because it has outlived its time. The design of the pre-stressed concrete, the Mandovi bridge lasted for only 15 years and collapsed. Now, the 15 years are already passed of the Zuari bridge. Why no priority is given to this bridge? I would like a reply from Honorable Chief Minister, and when he will take up this Zuari bridge. As far as what is, pardon? Yes. No, let me complete. You can reply afterwards. No, I am taking up, it is in a precarious condition. Yes.
आम्ही प्रत्येक 3 महिन्यांनी या ब्रिजाक टेस्टिंग करता. पयर सुद्दां आमी एक दीस कंप्लीट 24 तास 48 तास बंद दवरून ब्रिजाची चेकिंग केला आणि इट इज सेफ. बट तो सेफ जरी असलो 6 लेन ब्रिजाचे सगळे फायल रेडी करून वी हॅव सेंड टू द युनियन मिनिस्ट्री फॉर फर्दर नेसेसरी.
तुम्ही हांगा 2 पूल आसात आनी तिसरोय पूल घेतला. थंय एक पूल आसा तो सद्या रिपेर करतात, पूण हांवूय जाणा ताका ही जी रशियन डिझायन जी आसा, काही देशांनी हे असले पूल पडल्यात आनी हांगाय पडलो. सगळे जगभर नांव जालें आमच्या गोंयांचो पूल पडलो.